Are you having problems with your Fandango at home application? Well, here are some solutions that you can try. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. You want to swipe down on the control center and make sure your device is connected, and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues. However, if there are any other kinds of issues in the application, you can simply go to your settings, click on general and click on iPhone storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Fandango at home application. And you want to scroll down until you see the app over here. There's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on Fandango and click on offload app. Tap on offload app again and click on reinstall application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems. However, if there's any other kinds of problem in the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.